172 take away 5? Let's try it with blocks. We have our 100, 7 tens, 2 ones. Take a second, tell me what my next step would be. Pause the video if you want some more time to think about it. What is our next step? Okay, so we can't take away 5 ones very easily right here. We're going to have to do some regrouping. So I'm going to go to my tens. I'm going to take a 10 away, and then I'm going to bring over 10 ones. Okay? Is that what you said? I hope so. Now can we take away 5 ones? Now we can easily take away our 5 ones, right? 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 172 take away 5? How many blocks do we have left over? I'm seeing a 100 in the hundreds place, 6 tens, and 5, 6, 7 ones. Now we're going to try it writing it vertically. So our equation is 172 take away 5. First thing we have to do, set up our equation. Our larger number, of course, I'm going to write it down here. Our larger number goes on the top, 172. Don't forget your minus sign so we know what we're doing, and we're taking away 5. I need to make sure I line my ones up. So my 5 goes way all the way over to the right, where my ones from my top number is. There we go. 172 take away 5. Don't forget our poem. More on the top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door. Let's start. 2 minus 5. Uh-oh, we have more on the floor. There is more on the bottom number. I can't start with 2 and take away 5. I'm going to need to go next door, and I need to borrow a 10. Just like we did here. We had to go to the tens blocks, trade them in for some ones. We are doing the same thing. So I'm crossing out this 7, and this 7 now becomes a 6. We have 6 groups of 10 over here now. I'm bringing my 10 over here, and I had 2 to start with. So 10 plus 2 is 12. My new equation in my ones column is 12 take away 5. What is 12 take away 5? Twelve take away 5 is 7. Now we have 6 tens minus, we don't have a number in the tens place on the bottom number. 6 tens minus nothing. It could also, it's like there's a 0 right there. 6 tens minus 0 is still 6 tens. And then we have 1 100 minus 0 is still 100. Our answer we got is 176. Same thing we got with the blocks. Okay? So, I would like you to try 143 take away 6, 165 take away 8, and 214 take away 7 on just a plain piece of paper. You do not need to submit this to me in your portfolio. This is just going to be used as practice. Take as much time as you need and use either the block strategy, using blocks, like we did here, or set the problems up vertically, like we did there. Okay? Take as long as you need to solve these 3 problems. Then, once you're done, either have your parents check them, or you can watch my next video, or do both. Watch my next video where I'm going to do the problems out myself. And you can check and see if you did them the same way. Okay? I'm going to do it with both strategies, blocks, and writing them vertically.